Hi, and welcome to Wig Studio One. Today we're going to do a short color close-up on the color Martini by Jon Renau 101 F4 8T. It is shown on the wig Eve. Jon Renau describes Martini as soft white front, light brown with 75% gray blend with soft white tips. This is a beautiful blended gray blonde shade with ash platinum, gray, blonde, and light brown. Again, it is described as soft white front, light brown with 75% gray blend with soft white tips. Be sure to check out this style and many more at wigstudio1.com.